Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you this huge alligator crossing a dirt road. Keep in mind, it is not walking straight across. It is walking in a diagonal position. And I am so curious on how big this alligator really is because a lot of people take pictures of it. They take video. They're saying he's anywhere between 10 to 13 feet. You know, I don't think he's 10 feet. I think he's 12 and a half maybe, but we'll see. So what I've done was I finally got the video that I wanted, and I'm going to use this grass right here as a reference. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to basically go frame by frame as he's walking across. He's a big gator, man. Look at this guy. Now I'm going to stop it here for a moment. His front left foot just hit the grass right here, partly on the grass, partly in the dirt. His snout is already over the dirt, so he's into the grass. Notice where his tail's at right now. So I'm going to keep playing frame by frame, and I'm going to stop it right there. The tip of the tail is touching the grass line right here, so I'm going to use this as a reference. Now I already know his crossing path. He has this path all the time. He crosses it every day. So if you notice where the tail is, the tip of the tail, and where his head is right now, this guy is humongous. Now keep in mind, he is not going across straight. He's in a diagonal position. That makes it even more impressive. So how big is this alligator really? Well, let me go out there, measure it, and I'll have that answer for you.
All right, so the other day, I waited about an hour and a half, close to 2 hours for this huge gator to cross. And I'm going to show you the location of where it crossed the other day. And I'm going to measure how long this gator could be. So, but before I do that, I want to make sure I'm in it clear, because sometimes they could be up on the bank. So this is his crossing ground. This is exactly where he started, right here. As he came out, I stopped the frame right there where his tail is. His tail was at the tip of the grass. And see this line right here? That's his crossing. That's probably him crossing. That's his line. And he crossed right into this opening. Now, if you can see in the picture, he's well over, his head is well over the path, about at least 2 feet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a measuring tape and just measure this right here and see how long this gator may be. All right, so I'm going to try to do this with one hand. So you can see where this line starts, like right here, like right there. All right, so right where the tip of that measuring tape is, right from the grass point all the way right here, deep in, and you can see he's got it at least 12 feet. Look at this. Here's your answer right there. He might be a little shorter, but I'm going to say 12 feet. 11 minimum. But that's exactly where his tail was, the tip of his tail. And his head far reached before going into this pathway. And I'm going to say 12 feet. That's a big gator. That's a huge gator.
So there you have it, a whopping 12-footer. It's a huge gator. Yeah, that's pretty impressive when it comes to something this big. So let's watch it now. Watch how he crosses. Man, he is massive. He is huge. I was really impressed with this. All right, so that, my friends, was a gator crossing to be had. I've been waiting 6 weeks, if not more, to get this gator right here. Everyone's been recording it but me. Finally, I had my chance, and now I even know how big he is. So, really impressed. Hey, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next video.